My name is Sanjay Megha and I currently work at Cosmos Impacts as Deputy Manager. I am working here since last 4 years and during this time I got opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. In my current role, I am looking entire operations of machine shop plant with effective utilization with best quality within targeted timeline, which involves best practice with lean manufacturing and TPS concepts. The work culture at Cosmos is very supportive, collaborative, and growth oriented. From day one, I felt like a part of a team where everyone encouraged to share their ideas and work together and find any kind of solution. Over the time, I got chance to work on different type of projects, meet new people, and keep learning every day. Cosmos has provided me the perfect environment to enhance my technical skill and leadership ability to collaborate with cross-functional team. At Cosmos, it's not about getting job done, but it's about working together, celebrating milestone, and feeling valued as part of something bigger. My advice to new and current employee at Cosmos is simple. Stay curious and stay committed. Keep your passion alive and take full advantage of the opportunity to grow here.